Hello traders, welcome to another gold price prediction video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on the basis of price action behavior, and we will try to predict and plot some important support and resistance for gold on the basis of current price behavior. So as you can see from the chart, we are on live chart and we are on 4-hour time frame chart. We already plotted some level and discussed these levels in recent uploaded video for gold, and now we will discuss and try to predict some short term and long term support resistance, and we'll analyze these level one by one so that you will get a better view of those level and you can utilize these level in coming trading sessions. So let's just recap and reanalyze those level, and I will try to predict the move in intraday level as well as on long term basis. So let's just take a screenshot and so that we can write on the chart. So from here, as you can see, yes, from yesterday's trading session, as you can see, we already discussed this many times, that we predicting that gold is currently trading inside this channel, which is in uptrend behavior. But after the rejection from this level, gold failed to support the psychological barrier of 1800 and fall back to this support zone, which is at around 1780 to 1782 level. As you can see, this was resistance in previous trading session also. So after retesting this level, that is at around 1780 or 1782 level, it bounced back, and as you can see from the current candle, that it successfully able to break out the resistance zone which existed at around 17922 to 1794 level. So as you can see from this candle, we are on 4-hour time frame, and as you can see from this candle, the gold is able to break out this resistance zone in uptrend, and if the gold is able to break out the psychological barrier of 1800, we can see a upper movement, and we can expect that gold might retest the zone at around 1820, or it is let me just write down those level. So in the upper side, I can expect that after the breakout, if the level of 1800 got breakout from the buying pressure, we can expect a bullish trade up to 1820. Let me just zoom in so that you will get a better view how I plotted this level. So from here, as you can see, this particular line, I'm talking about this one. So this one acting as resistance in previous trading sessions. So we can expect that gold might retest this zone in the upper trend side or in buying side. And still, if you closely look the price behavior in this channel, the gold is, we can say that gold is bullish, but the buying pressure is not that much active on the bullish trend, and we can say that there is underlying selling pressure also on gold trade. So we can expect that gold, if gold is able to break out the psychological barrier of 1800, and if it able to hold above the 1800, we can see a retest above, or we can see a retest above this zone, and we can finally, after the breakout of this trend or this zone, we can say that gold might move to upper side. But from the uh, another scenario, we can say if gold is not able to break out the 1800 level, then when the major support in the downfall is at this line, which is existed at 1790 and 1792. So for the buyer, this is the major support, and the buyer can you know take trade after the breakout of 1790 or 1792 level. So for short entry, the seller should wait until the breakout of these two level, that is at 1790 to 1792. And we can in the selling side, we can say that this line, that is at around 1780 and 1781, this is the major support in the selling side. So if you want to take sell entry, you can wait until the level of 1800. If the zone is safe, then you can take short entry after the candle close or after the confirmation of candle in the selling side. But if it able to break out 1800, we can take the buying entries also. So these are the important level that I am currently looking, and I am still expecting from the current price behavior. Let's just recap and discuss these important level. As you can see from the current candle, if you look closely over here, as you can see, this is the breakout that we recently check on the 4-hour time frame, and this is the breakout on 1792 1793 zone. So we can expect that gold might break out the psychological barrier at around 1800, and then we can expect a move to upper level that we already discussed. So in the buying side, these are the major resistance that we have to check, and in the selling side we have to check these level also. So these are the some important level for intraday and swing trading also. So we will discuss, and we will check these level on my live Telegram channel also. So you can join the Telegram channel from the description also. Thank you.